Did you know that Einstein's theory of special relativity revolutionized our understanding of space and time? Or perhaps you're more intrigued by his theory of general relativity, which redefined gravity as the curvature of spacetime. Whichever aspect captivates you, Einstein's groundbreaking work continues to shape our perception of the universe. A pleasant day, everyone. I am Aryan Tenueca together with my groupmates.
I'm Kyle Vasquez.
I'm Nadine de la Cruz.
And I'm Jonalyn Yanara.
And today, we're going to delve deeper into the understanding of Einstein's theories of special relativity and general relativity, exploring how these theories change the way we perceive reality.
And for the objectives, understand Einstein's theory of special relativity, focusing on time dilation and length contraction. Analyze the practical implications of time dilation and length contraction in various scenarios. Define and explain Einstein's theory of general relativity.
Let's proceed to the discussion of the time dilation and length contraction and special relativity. Next, please. Time dilation. This shows the speed of light or the time was normal, but it depends on where you are or where direction you came from. This means that the faster you move through space, the slower you move through time. For better understanding, let's analyze the picture on the screen. Imagine that this picture is you and your friend, and you two have the same watches that always tick at the same rate. Now, you decide to go on a space adventure while your friends stay on Earth. As you zoom off into space, really fast, your, your watch starts ticking slower compared to your friend's watch back on Earth. But for you, everything was seems normal. It's just your friend's watch that seems to be ticking faster. Well, this is what Einstein called time dilation. It seems that the time can tick at different rates depending on how you fast you're moving and where you are. So for you, traveling at the super speed, time seems normal. But for your friend on Earth, your time seems slower. It's like time stretches or dilates when you're moving really fast.
Let's proceed to the length contraction. Length contraction occurs when a moving object's observed length is shorter than its proper length. In simple terms, length contraction suggests that an object's length appears shorter when it is moving at a significant fraction of the speed of light, relative to an observer. Essentially, the faster something moves, the shorter it looks to someone watching it from a stationary position. For example, imagine a train on a bridge with lights on each end, just like what's on the screen. If the train is shorter than the bridge, the far light turns on before the near one. But if you're inside the train, it seems normal. This idea that things look different depending on how fast you're moving is what Einstein figured out. He called it length contraction. It like, it's like things squishing up when they zoom by.
And for the theory of general relativity, in Einstein's theory of general relativity, gravity is not just a force but also a curvature of space-time caused by mass and energy. Massive objects like planets and stars bend space-time, affecting the motion of other objects. This curvature influences the passage of time, a phenomenon known as time dilation. Essentially, time moves slower in regions of stronger gravitational fields. This means that the clocks closer to massive objects tick slower compared to those further away. The effect of most noticeable near massive objects like black holes, where gravity is extremely intense. Time dilation has been experimentally confirmed through various means, including atomic clocks placed on high-speed airplanes and satellites or orbit around Earth.
And lastly, for our conclusion, special relativity's time dilation and length contraction constants are fundamental to understanding how time and space behave at high speeds. And general relativity takes it further by describing gravity as the warping of spacetime, leading to phenomena like time dilation in strong gravitational fields. It's fascinating how these theories have been confirmed through experiments like those with GPS satellites. We have known a completely different perspective on time, space, gravity, and the universe as a whole because of Einstein's idea of relativity. They have spawned innumerable scientific investigation and technological breakthrough and remain the cornerstone of contemporary theoretical physics.
That's all. Thank you for listening.